Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. Today we have the new Redmi Note 11 Pro and the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, both being released globally. They're high-value mid-rangers, but what exactly do they have to offer? Let's go over their key features and find out. With the Note 11 Pro and the Note 11 Pro 5G, Redmi has gone with a flat back rather than the rounded design you get on the non-Pro models. The Pro phones are also a bit heftier, at around 200 grams, but still comfortable in the hand. Plus you get IP53 rated splash proofing, though you'd get the same on the non-Pro models as well. One thing the Pro models offer over the vanilla ones is a different display. Both phones have a 6.67-inch AMOLED with a 1080p resolution and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. There's a 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. The regular Note 11 and the Note 11s also have AMOLEDs, but they're smaller. They have a 90Hz refresh rate and lower touch sampling rate, and they have Gorilla Glass 3 protection instead. Another benefit of going Pro is that even though all of the new Redmi Notes have a large 5000 mAh battery, the Pro models come with 67W fast charging. But what about the difference between the two Pro models? As you might have guessed, with the 5G one, you get a chipset that offers 5G connectivity. This is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 and is built on a 6nm process. We don't expect flagship grade performance here, but it should be respectable. In contrast, the regular Note 11 Pro has a Mediatek Helio G96. It should also provide decent performance for the price, though it's 4G only. You'd also get the same chipset in the Redmi Note 11s. Another area in which you might find some differences is the cameras, and not only because of the different processing from the chipsets. The Redmi Note 11 Pro has a high-res 108MP main camera paired with an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro cam, and a depth sensor. The 5G version is the same, except that it doesn't have the depth sensor. In its place on the camera bump, you get an AI logo. The rest of the package is shared across the new Redmis. For example, they all have stereo speakers, a headphone jack, and expandable storage. And the interface of the new Redmi phones is Xiaomi's MIUI 13 out of the box. It's their new interface, but here it's running over Android 11, not 12. So there you have it guys. The Redmi Note 11 Pro and the Pro 5G look pretty promising, though the regular Note 11s isn't too far behind specs-wise if you want to save a bit of cash. Let us know what you think about the new Redmis, and I'll see you soon with our full reviews.